More evidence has surfaced that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge will launch on April 15th. Info acquired by Nuova Mobile also reveals the storage and color options that will be available at launch, plus 2 different cases. Note that the April 15th date may be the start of the pre-order period rather than the date of availability. Either way, with a week or 2 of pre-orders, the S25 Edge will be out by the end of April. The phone will be available in 2 storage capacities, 256 GB and 512 GB, just like the S25 Plus. The RAM will be 12 GB. You will also get a choice of 3 colors: silver, black, and blue. In addition to the phone, Samsung will launch a number of accessories like a silicone case, EF PS937CJ, and a kind suitcase, EF VS937PL, the latter being a faux leather design. Similar cases are already available for the other S25 models. There are no pricing details yet, but previous rumors have claimed that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be slightly more than the S25 Plus, so €1,200 to €1,300 for the 256 GB variant and €1,300 to €1,400 for the 512 GB one.